Being brought to the sales market for the first time is this Grade 2 listed barn conversion converted by reputable developer Acorn Homes in 2021. With over 1,700 square foot of internal living space comprising of 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2 reception rooms, a utility and benefiting from a double carport and garage situated in the hamlet of Yeabridge on the outskirts of Market Town, South Petherton. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in this property or would like an appraisal of your own site, then please do get in touch.